So this is not the Velcro solution. I don't think it works good. And with this solution, the microphone holes are completely covered. Well, the muffler is completely covered over the microphones. So okay, this is a sound without the muffler. Soon I'm gonna put on the muffler, the permanent muffler, so I can't remove it then again. Well, exactly, you can remove it, but I'm not sure you can replace it again. I'm gonna blow over the microphone so you can hear the noise without the muffler now. Yeah, that must not be a pretty sound. I'm gonna put the muffler on now. Okay. So yeah, now I have the two-part muffler. I not installed the middle part and the left part yet, so maybe this is an improvement already, but later on I will put on all the parts of the muffler on the camera. I'm gonna blow now into the camera over the microphone and see if this is a difference already. I think this will be an improvement already. Okay guys, this is this with the full muffler on. I'm gonna blow now into the microphones and see if we get a difference. Well, I'll leave it up to you. If you hear the difference, let me know. I hope this was a little bit helpful, and yeah, subscribe if you like this video, and give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, see you, bye bye. Yes, monkey.
I really hope this muffler works.
Yeah, me too. I also hope it will work.
But Steph,
Yes, monkey.
I really hope this muffler works.
Yeah.
For you.
What do you mean, monkey? I'm pretty sure this muffler will work.
Because you cut a hole in my back, you idiot.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
You fool.
I deserve that.
And now take back your arm outside
Yeah.
of me, you pervert.
So, feeling better now, monkey? I thought so. You crazy monkey.
And please subscribe to my channel if you like this video.
Thank you.
I mean, Steph's channel. I don't really have a channel.
Thank you, monkey.